Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to be signed into the Steam client or the desktop website. This is required because some settings aren't available in mobile. Once signed in, make sure Steam is online and not in offline mode, then open your profile by clicking your username at the top. You're starting the change now. Click Edit Profile to access the Display Name field. Explain why. Steam separates account name and display name so you can change what others see without altering login credentials. You'll now edit the actual display name. Click into the display name box and type your chosen name. Make sure it complies with community guidelines and stays within the character limit. Once typed, glance at the profile preview so you can see capitalization, spacing, or special characters in context. If you use symbols or uncommon spacing, test readability because friends will see it in chats and game overlays. Make adjustments now if it looks off, so you avoid repeated small changes later. Finish by clicking Save at the bottom of the Edit Profile page. This commits the new display name immediately. Once done, verify the change by viewing your profile from another account or asking a friend. Also open a game overlay to confirm it displays there. If the name doesn't update, make sure to relog into Steam, clear the client cache, or restart the Steam client. These steps force refreshes. If problems persist, wait a few minutes. Steam sometimes needs a short propagation window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.